कुतेरेगा उड़ेणी कुळेणी ला 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 wasmiruha matang hodagen kana hodani
Jazakallah khairan Shair Ulwan konchatti havarunti balani Handu Kinadi rodamas nimijenu anekka handu sabitu kuramvisa Sava Samara Dengon Aitamaki LKG B Kuding Ramadan Moon Ballawalawa
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam.
Hey, where are you off? What's the rush?
I'm going up the hill to see the Ramadan moon.
Wow, is it happening tonight? Will you see it tonight?
Yeah, I think so.
Can we come with you?
Yeah, sure. Come along.
Okay.
Oh, the people are coming and going, getting ready to and froing. There's a buzz in the world tonight. People are so excited. Daddy's coming home soon, hoping to see the moon, hoping to catch a sight. Everyone's so happy. Moon, moon, come out soon. We're out to see the Ramadan moon. Clouds strip, fog lift, city put out your lights. We want to see the Ramadan moon tonight.
Look. I can see it.
Oh wow, so can I.
Tomorrow we can fast.
Now Ramadan has started, and the moon has just been sighted. Tomorrow we all fast. Every Muslim must. Now Isha time is here, and it's time to leave for prayer. The Imam is in the mosque. The Quran is in his heart. Moon, moon, come out soon. We're out to see the Ramadan moon. Clouds shift, fog lift, city put out your lights. We want to see the Ramadan moon tonight. From the early break of dawn, we'll go the whole day long. Shops are full of day. But still we have to wait till the sun goes down. And it's time to break a siyam. The food is on the plate. Oh, it tastes so good. Moon, moon, come out soon. We're out to see the Ramadan moon. Clouds shift, fog lift, city put out your lights. We want to see the Ramadan moon tonight. Now granddad's in i'tikaf, only 10 days are left. He's praying every night, dressed all in white, hands held high, with tears in his eyes, asking for forgiveness and paradise. Moon, moon, come out soon. We're out to see the Ramadan moon. Clouds shift, fog lift, city put out your lights. We want to see the Ramadan moon tonight.
Did you see the moon last night?
No, why?
It's the moon of Shawwal.
That means it's Eid tomorrow.
Eid Mubarak.
Eid Mubarak.
See you tomorrow for Eid.
Inshallah.
Now it's time again for Eid. Ramadan ran with speed. Will it come again? Like an old friend. Ramadan moon. Like an old friend. Ramadan moon.